Today it's a very special day. The Virgin Galactic is going to space in 2 p.m. in British time. This mission started in 2004. I'm very excited and it is a dream come true. Well done, Sir Richard Branson. I'm very happy. This is the first time he's going with other astronauts. You can all watch live on YouTube. I will share the link in the description and make sure put a reminder. There are 4 astronauts and 2 pilots. Astronaut 004, Sivisha Bandla, Research Operations. Astronaut 003, Colin Bennett, Lead Operations Engineer. Astronaut 002, Beth Moses, Chief Astronaut Instructor. And most importantly, Astronaut 001, Sir Richard Branson, founder of Virgin Galactic. The pilots are Dave McKay, Chief Pilot, and Michael Masucci, Pilot. This is our future. Make sure you watch it live. Hope you enjoy. Bye.